Hey everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video, we are going to be showing you a new method to make money in the easiest way possible. You won't be required to do any type of marketing, you don't need to have any followers on your social media accounts, and you don't need a platform of any sort. But most importantly, this method won't require you to have any skills or experience. Isn't that great? We just found out about this method and we immediately thought of making a video so that we could share it with you guys so you can do it too and make more money. Now remember that we are going to be guiding you through the entire process in this video, so make sure that you watch this whole video from the beginning to end so that you won't make any mistakes and so that you can successfully earn your money immediately. Before we get right into today's video, if it is your first time in the channel, welcome to the Money Shark channel. In this channel, we upload videos on how to make money online so you can try them out for yourself and start making your own money. If you want to be a part of this channel, then don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of our making money online journey, and hit the notification bell beside it to be the first to know whenever we upload a brand new video. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. The method that we are showing you today will pay you for your own thoughts and opinions as well as your time. Maybe some of you watching have already heard about this website, but if you haven't, then this is your lucky day. Let's start by going on our default browser and then proceed to type in cjinc.info. So that's cjinc.info. This is what you should see on your screen right now. And as you see, it says here, creative jobs work online. Earn online because we know you have enough skills. If you have a few hours a day which you can spend in front of your PC and execute small, time-bound and highly payable tasks, then you are at the right place. We recruit and hire flexible people who thrive on change and challenge, who are innovative and self-confident, and who seek immediate responsibility. We will pay you for your time. If you are free to join, yes, we are also free. This website claims to be worldwide open, so no matter where you are in the world, you can easily join in on this and earn money for yourself. Then, as you can see, number 2 shows all the featured jobs. There's markets research, typing jobs, proofreading, translation, advertising, and online teaching. They all have different descriptions, so you can read through them one by one. Now, if you think it's a little bit sketchy because you've never heard of this website, which is completely understandable, then we would like you to put your attention on number 3. Number 3 consists of their testimonials, which means proof of people actually making money off of this. And if you can notice, they're all from different parts of the world. This girl comes from the Philippines, this one from the United States, and this one from Australia. You can choose to read from any of the 3, and they're basically just sharing their personal experiences with creative jobs. So you can go ahead and read that to reassure yourself that this isn't a scam or any of that sort. Now that we've gone through the whole website, let's bring our attention back to number 2, and we want you to click on proofreading. To those who have no idea what this means, it's basically reading any type of paper and making sure there aren't any mistakes or changes that need to be done before the actual submission. It does need to have English skills since you're going to be proofreading, but that's an easy skill to acquire and most of you probably already have that skill. But if you don't have that skill and you still want to try this method out, then you don't need to worry at all because we got you. We have a tool for you that you can use to proofread anything at all and no matter how long. This tool is going to be the one that will find all of the mistakes and make all of the changes in what you need to proofread from top to bottom. So just imagine how cool that is. You won't even proofread anything yourself because this tool will do it for you. Now remember that this tool is 100% free. The next part of this video will be us showing you to copy a random text or article from the internet and change it a bit so that there will be mistakes, so that we can show you how the tool would work so you'll know what to do. Remember to stay until the very end of this video because you will regret it if you don't stay. We will be talking about this method in detail, so make sure to not skip either, because if you do skip on a part, then chances are you will be missing a step and then you'll have to rewatch this whole video again. By By the way, if there are some other things that you would like to try out aside from proofreading, then you can definitely do so. If you know how to do other of the things listed on here, then you can go ahead and give it a shot. So before anything else, we need to sign up first so that we can apply to become a proofreader. You will look at the most top part of the webpage and then hover your mouse over career, and then you'll see some options pop up. You're then going to choose proofreading jobs since that is our focus in today's video. Once you've clicked on that, this is what you should see next. On this page, you're basically going to see all the other information on proofreading. They explain what proofreading is, the job nature, job rates, and as you can see, it says here that they pay $5 to $10 per page or $1,000, which is a lot. Then they talk about your expected earning per month, which is always a nice thing to look forward to. Then eligibility, sample job work, payment, registration, selection procedure, and lastly, they have a short disclaimer that says, CJ Inc. is not an employer but a recruitment agency. We introduce enthusiastic and skillful people to the online or offline employers. That's something to keep in mind. So that's basically the content of the whole page, and you can read through all of that information, which we require you to do before proceeding so that it is clear to you. And if you may have any other questions, then this might just answer those questions, so make sure to read all of that before anything else. Right after the disclaimer part, you will see the Apply for Jobs button, and then you're going to go ahead and click on that button. And then you will be brought to this page, and you're going to scroll down a bit to see that you're going to need to download the application form. So go ahead and do that before continuing. Then you'll see this Google form right here, which serves as the application form or registration form. You're going to have to fill this up according to what they're asking. Make sure you don't miss any details so that you can push through with the process properly. You're going to select the job you're applying for, which should be proofreading of course, and then continue on filling the rest of your personal information in. You can see their payment methods, and PayPal is one of them. So if you have a PayPal or any of these three, then that's good. But if you don't, then make sure that you open an account so you can get paid. Once you're done filling the whole thing up, you can go ahead and click submit right away. Make sure that you double check everything that you have provided so that there will be no mistakes in spelling or words or anything like that, so there will be no errors. Now that you've submitted that, let's go back to the previous page and focus our attention on the sample job work part, which is basically where they explain that they're going to give you an article with mistakes on them, and you're going to have to proofread and correct all of the mistakes on there and make all the changes that are needed to be made. This is where that tool we were talking about comes in, and we want you to pay close attention in this part, or else you're going to have to do your proofreading manually and you might not get accepted. The tool that we are going to use for proofreading is Grammarly.com. Let's go ahead and type that into our browser. We've been using Grammarly for a while now in a lot of things, and it does the job really well, so you can trust that this website really does what needs to be done. Now this tool is 100% free and available all around the world. You're going to have to add Grammarly as an extension to your Chrome browser, and for that you're just gonna click the button that says add to Chrome. It's free. It will then take you to this web page wherein you're going to have to click the add to Chrome button. Once that is done, you can go ahead and sign up on Grammarly, and you can start using Grammarly on different platforms right away. What you're seeing right now is a Google Docs file where we prepared a random short article with errors in them. And as you can see, if you click on those words with mistakes that are underlined, you can click on them and then the correction that needs to be done will be applied. Once you've done that, you can now submit that article to Creative Jobs and start earning. That's all you need to do. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to show your love and support for this video. Also, smash that subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that either. And make sure to click the notification bell beside it to be the first to know when we put out a new video on how to make more money online through different methods. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next one.